reasons you might want to build your credit is to get a better credit card. When we say better, that definition can vary, but a combination of benefits will often lead to you getting free stuff. Yes, free stuff, guys. Two main types of benefits come as cashback or rewards like travel miles or hotel credits, which is great. Cashback cards. With cashback cards, it's basically what it sounds like. You get cash back with every purchase. For example, if you get 2% cash back, you'll be getting $2 for every $100 that you spend. Rewards cards. With rewards cards, you can get all sorts of fun stuff. Most rewards cards will give you some sort of currency that you can exchange. These can be points, they can be airline miles, and more. And you can get them on every purchase. So when it comes to cashing in your rewards, you have tons of options. In many cases, you can even get bonuses. Some cards offer 50% more value when you redeem your rewards for travel. And sometimes you can even exchange rewards for gift cards or products from your favorite brands like Apple or Nike. Next time I rack up enough credit points, I'm definitely going to the Apple store and getting myself a brand new MacBook. So typically it takes building good credit to get some of the fancy cards with the best benefits. A lot of the entry-level cards have pretty basic benefits, but it's enough to give you a taste of what's to come. Over time, you'll have access to more and more options, but be sure that you do your research because some of the cards with better benefits can also have higher annual fees. So in the end, free food, free vacations, and lots of other awesome free stuff is waiting for you when your credit gets good. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment about your credit card horror stories. Head over to onomy.co for all the things you didn't learn in school.